Video number 2. What WhatsApp is all about. Definition. WhatsApp is an instant messaging application for the next generation mobile platform, which enables text messaging between users. It is similar to computer messaging programs, chat, that commonly exist in the web, with the difference that this one works in mobile phones. It is said to be multi-platform because it is available in different mobile operating systems that currently exist, such as iOS, Android, Windows Phone, and Nokia. Its story begins in 2009, when two young entrepreneurs, former employees of Yahoo called Jan Quam and Brian Acton, decided to create an application, which initially was only going to inform other users of activities they were doing at that precise moment. That explains the name, WhatsApp, which is a play on the phrase, "What's up?" Something like, "I'm in the gym," or "work" would be the outcome. However, in time, the idea was developed into what now is an instant messaging application with multiple functions, used by over 450 million people worldwide. How it works. WhatsApp is an application dedicated to instant messaging among users. Anyone can find someone in the platform through their phone number. Therefore, just knowing the phone number of someone is enough to add them to your contacts list. Note that for both the sender and the receiver communicating via WhatsApp, it is necessary that the application is installed. Once you have this application installed, you can send unlimited text messages, which can have an unlimited number of digits. Also, you can send multimedia messages, allowing you to send or receive images, audio files, or even video recordings, whether using your own phone or downloading it from some other source. For communicating through WhatsApp, you should purchase a data service which provides mobile internet. If not, then you must be connected to a Wi-Fi network because this application only works through the internet. In other words, messages are sent through the internet to the recipient. Why they don't sell ads. For WhatsApp, the paramount is the user. The company makes sure that its users feel comfortable and confident when using WhatsApp. Engineers are dedicated to improving the application by correcting any errors, creating new options, features, and optimizing the complex interface that exists between the user and the application. In other companies, advertising is paramount. These companies collect your data and keep it updated in order to create a product which may convince you that you must buy it. In WhatsApp, your data is completely private and belongs only to you. Since its inception, WhatsApp has been characterized as an app free of annoying advertising, and that is one of the characteristics that makes it so successful. Some of its cool features. Phone calls. WhatsApp calling allows you to call your friends and family for free, even if they are in another country. As of now, WhatsApp calling is available for Android, iPhone, Windows Phone, and BlackBerry 10. WhatsApp calling uses your phone's internet connection instead of using your cellular plan's voice minutes. Calling someone who is in another country will cost you the same as calling someone who is in your own country. All you need to pay for is the data charge, which would be the same no matter the place you are calling. To make a WhatsApp call, simply open the chat with the person you want to call and tap the phone button on top. When someone calls you, you will see an incoming WhatsApp call screen. You can tap and slide the green button to answer the call or slide the red button to decline the call. Voice messages. The WhatsApp platform includes voice messages among its available functions. It consists of sending a message through WhatsApp, composed of a voice recording. It is up to 1 minute, which makes messaging optimal and fast. WhatsApp Web. WhatsApp now has a version for PC called WhatsApp Web, which consists of connecting the application platform through the browser on your own personal computer. The application is an extension of the mobile application that you normally use on your phone. It will display your messages on your computer which you receive while you are connected to the internet. By connecting your browser with WhatsApp Web, all your contacts and conversations will be synchronized, as they are in your phone. Send location. WhatsApp will share the location of where you are at a specific moment. It is useful when you need to place yourself on a map, for example. Nevertheless, this is not just about simply giving your location. When you share your current location, WhatsApp also displays names of places, restaurants, shopping centers, parks, etc. So you can specify exactly where you are at that moment, or at least use those as a reference for your location. To do this, you simply need to go to Share Location. You will find the option of sharing your location. It gives you the option of typing the name of the zone or area in which you are. If you wait a few seconds, you will see a list of sites in that zone, and you can pick the place where you are located.